Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make lamb and potato patties. So you'll need about 1 kilogram of lamb mince, 1 heaped teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and teaspoon of black pepper powder. You'll need 3 large onions, about 6 or 7 potatoes, 1 egg, 2 sheets of ready rolled puff pastry, and around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm just going to start chopping the onions and I'll wash the meat. And I've also just popped the potatoes in a pan of boiling water to cook, and I'm going to add the mince to a pan with some frozen garlic ginger paste as well. That's optional. And now I'll just add the spices to the mixture. After a few minutes I'm going to add in the chopped onions. This is after about 10 minutes of browning the mince. So this is the mince after around 20 minutes, and here are the potatoes. So I've just chopped the potatoes into small cubes, and I'm just going to add them to the mince mixture and then cook the mince mixture for another 10 to 15 minutes so it can all combine. And then it's just a matter of letting the mixture cool completely for about half an hour to an hour, and I'm just going to roll the puff pastry sheets, and here we are. They come on some parchment paper, so I'm going to cut them into 8 pieces each. And also you're going to need a little bit of plain flour mixed with water to act as a glue. So I'm just going to start adding the mixture to the puff pastry and seal the edges with the flour water mixture, and also here I'm using a fork just to seal down the edges so that the mixture doesn't seep out. Next stage is just to pop everything onto a baking sheet and pop them in the oven. So just before we put them in the oven, we need to put the egg wash on to give them a nice shiny coat. So that's what I'm going to do, and I've put them in the oven for 20 minutes on 200 degrees centigrade. And here we have some of the pasties ready to eat. So delicious, so flaky. I'm sure they'll be great for